What's going on everybody, my name is Rico, welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode of How to Vlog on a Budget, I'm going to tell you guys something about the equipment you can use to vlog on a budget. So you want to vlog but you don't have any money to buy yourself a DSLR or a pocket camera. Is that a problem? Absolutely not. Everybody has a phone. A phone has a front camera and most of the time. It's got a back camera most of the time, and that's all you need to shoot a video. Now you see, shooting something on your phone doesn't automatically mean the quality isn't good enough. It's all about entertainment, storytelling, and you can do that basically with anything that shoots video. For example, I have the Nokia 8. It shoots 4K 30 frames a second, 1080p 60 frames per second, and that's more than enough to create a nice vlog with cinematic b-roll. The phone even has its own slow motion function, which means I can shoot a clip in slow motion and I don't need to edit anything to make that happen. Now one of the problems with smartphones is that they aren't very good at low light. Since the ambient light can change, you know, when it's dark outside, you don't have a lot of light, maybe a little bit from the moon or the street lights, and not everybody is carrying a small, like, handy light. And what you don't want to do is shoot a video that's all grainy because you have to bump up the ISO. If you have a phone that shoots manual, if it's an auto, it automatically bumps up the ISO and it makes it all grainy, so you don't have any choice. And that's where an external light comes to play. I use the Godox M32 light. It's a very awesome light. It's lightweight, it's small, it's got different settings, full, a little bit less, off. As I said, you can buy this from AliExpress. I'll put a link in the description down below where you can find it, and I highly recommend it to anyone that uses or needs a small light. I've used this in a vlog before. It was the movie park review vlog. Me and my girlfriend went to Germany, had lots of fun, and there was a dark setting over there, and that's where I used this. And as you can see, the light is amazing, and that's why I recommend it to you all. So right now you have your phone, you have your portable light, but now you want to do something hands-free like I'm doing right now. Maybe that's because you want to show a product that you've just bought, so you need your hands to show it a little bit, turn it around and stuff. Or maybe you just want to shoot from a weird angle to make it funny. That's where Gorillapod comes into play. Now there's a lot of Gorillapods. Some are very expensive, some are very cheap. And because this is a vlog about vlogging on a budget, I'm going to give you guys an option which is very cheap but helps you create better videos. I'm talking about this Gorillapod right here. I've bought this one on AliExpress. I'm going to show you guys where you can find it. I'm going to show you guys how much it costs. And then you have a Gorillapod, you have an external light, and you have your phone, and it's more than enough to create an awesome story and to vlog. You go to www.aliexpress.com, and then in the search bar you type in Gorillapod. And then there you have it. The Gorillapod of $9.99. It's the same one that I use. So that's it for this week, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got something out of it as well. I've got one more surprise for you guys, which is a giveaway. I'm going to give away one Gorillapod to one of my subscribers. All you gotta do is like this video, leave a comment why you think you should win this Gorillapod. And that's all you guys have to do to be eligible to win this Gorillapod. So make love to the like button for me. Please consider subscribing if you like what you saw. Hit that bell button to be the first to be notified when I drop a new video. And until next time, doei! So that's it guys, my first tutorial. I'm very excited to hear about your thoughts, what you thought about it. As you can see, I brought the camera a little bit closer because I feel that it makes me engage more with the audience, and for you the viewer, you feel more of an engagement with me. I'm still figuring out which angle to shoot from. Maybe you guys can give me some hints or tips or advice. If I should shoot from the front, if I should shoot from the side like this, or maybe I should shoot from this side. Please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your feedback on this. And then in the next episode, I already shot the next one, but I promise you guys, in a different episode, I will be definitely doing a different angle. And then let's see how that turns out. So I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know, drop a comment. That's it. I wish you guys a lot of luck in the giveaway, and until next time, doei!